Okay, so in this video presentation, we are down to the last classification of research according to the statistical content. And we have two. We have qualitative and quantitative research. So to start this discussion, we will first try to discuss qualitative research. So, how do we define qualitative research? Qualitative research is a type of research, okay, that do not make use of statistics. So before we go even further in the discussion of qualitative research, let's first define the word statistics. So what do we mean by statistics? So statistics is a branch of mathematics. Okay? It is a branch of mathematics in which we can use it, okay? We can use it to evaluate. Okay? Evaluate what? Hypothesis and distinct relationships. Distinct relationships in the field of research. So meaning to say, we can derive conclusions by using statistics. However, qualitative research do not make use of statistics. Why? Because statistics, okay, as it offers in its definition as a branch of mathematics, okay, as it offers in the definition as a branch of mathematics, statistics make use of quantities. And quantities refer to numerical data. So meaning to say, if qualitative research do not make use of statistics, qualitative research is a research that is non-quantitative, obviously. Non-quantitative. Non-quantitative in an essence that it does not use or it does not utilize numerical data. Okay? Now, so meaning to say, how do we arrive data in qualitative research? How do we present data in qualitative research? Okay, so qualitative research is known for its usage. Okay, it uses descriptive words. So meaning to say, the data in qualitative research is in word form. Okay? The data in qualitative research is in word form. Now, since it uses word form, we can say that qualitative research uses intuitive knowledge. Intuitive knowledge. Okay? And one of the main downside of using intuitive knowledge is that it will be prone to biases. Okay? So meaning to say, qualitative research is prone to biases because it uses intuitive knowledge. Also, qualitative research is not quantitative because it does not use numerical data. Instead, it uses descriptive words as data. Okay? Now, how do we collect data? Okay? Where do this data come from? Okay, where do this word data come from? So, the data in qualitative research can be derived from the method of transcribing. So whenever we say transcribing, it means putting things. So these things, example of these things can be audio or videos. Okay? So in transcribing, it is the putting of things, okay, or the conversion of things like audio and video into word form or into words. Okay, there is a transcription. So this word form refers to the transcription. Okay, so that is the main method of collecting data in qualitative research. Now, how do we collect data in qualitative research? So we will have this question: how do we collect data in order, okay, in order to make qualitative research. Okay. So there are 5 main methods, okay? 5 methods in order for us to collect data in qualitative research. And what are those 5 methods? So number 1, one method for us to collect data in qualitative research is through interviews. So these interviews can be recorded and can be transcribed. Okay? Next, another one is through the form of questionnaires and surveys. Questionnaires and surveys. Okay? Number 3, audio tapes. Audio tapes. Number 4, videotapes or video presentations. And lastly, we have documents. Written documents. So these documents can be in the form of journals, okay, in the form of diaries, in the form of blogs, form of letters, and also in the form of portfolios. So these are the main sources of data in order for us to conduct a qualitative research. Okay? Now, to discuss even further, okay? So, to discuss even further, okay, there are the main downsides in qualitative research. So, we are to discuss now the downsides. When we say downsides, the advantages, disadvantages, okay? Disadvantages, the downsides of qualitative research. Okay. So, one of the main downsides in qualitative research is that it is very personal. And when it is very personal, you need to, or the researchers need to earn trust from your respondents. Okay? So that is one of the main downside. If your respondents do not trust you, they will not be able to help you to conduct your research. Okay? Another one, okay, another main downside is in the case of using questionnaires. Why? Because sometimes your respondents, when they answer questionnaire, they may not take it seriously. Okay? Sometimes your respondents would not take your questionnaire seriously. Sometimes their answers can be just in the form of hocus pocus, something like that. So, it is affected also by the respondents' emotions. And another thing, qualitative researches can be subjective. When we say subjective, it is prone to biases. It can focus only on the negative side or it can focus only on the positive side, depending on the researcher. Okay? So that is the main essence of qualitative research. Now, in our next video presentation, we are about to discuss, okay, we are about to discuss the 4 main types. Okay? 4 main types of qualitative research. Qualitative research.